Are you tired of your blues guitar tracks sounding lackluster and amateurish? Do you dream of capturing that professional studio sound, but don't know where to start? Look no further. In this article, we will reveal 5 insider recording and mixing secrets that will help you transform your garage jams into studio magic. Whether you're a seasoned musician or just starting out, these tips are guaranteed to take your blues guitar tracks to the next level. Invest in quality equipment. The first step in achieving a professional sound is investing in quality equipment. While it may be tempting to cut corners and use cheap gear, remember that the sound starts at the source. A high-quality guitar, amplifier, and microphones will capture the nuances of your playing accurately. Don't forget about cables and connectors. Using low-quality ones can introduce unwanted noise into your recordings. Optimize your recording space. Creating an optimal recording space is crucial for capturing clean and natural-sounding blues guitar tracks. If possible, choose a room with good acoustics, minimal echo or reverberation, as this will prevent unwanted reflections from muddying up your recordings. Additionally, consider adding acoustic treatments such as foam panels or diffusers to control any remaining reflections. Mic placement matters. Now that you have quality equipment and an optimized space, it's time to focus on mic placement techniques that can make all the difference in capturing the true essence of your blues guitar playing. A. Close miking. Placing a microphone close to the speaker cone captures more direct sound while minimizing room ambience. B. Room miking. Experimenting with placing microphones farther away from the amplifier can add depth and natural reverb. C. Stereo miking. Using 2 microphones positioned at different angles creates a wider and more immersive sound. Utilize EQ and compression. Once you've recorded your blues guitar tracks, it's time to dive into the world of mixing. EQ, equalization, is a powerful tool that allows you to shape the tonal balance of your recordings. Use it to boost or cut frequencies that enhance or detract from the desired sound. Compression, on the other hand, helps control dynamic range by reducing the difference between loud and soft parts of your playing. It adds sustain and consistency, making your guitar tracks sound polished and professional. Add effects sparingly. Effects such as reverb, delay, and modulation can add depth and character to your blues guitar tracks when used tastefully. However, it's important not to overdo it. Too much reverb can make your recordings sound muddy or distant. Experiment with different effects settings until you find a balance that enhances your playing without overpowering it. Remember that less is often more when it comes to effects in blues music. Conclusion. Congratulations! You are now armed with 5 insider recording and mixing secrets that will transform your blues guitar tracks from garage jams into studio magic. By investing in quality equipment, optimizing your recording space, experimenting with mic placement techniques, utilizing EQ and compression effectively, and adding effects sparingly but purposefully, you'll be well on your way to achieving a professional studio sound. So go ahead. Dust off those old blues licks in the garage. Armed with this newfound knowledge, there's no limit to what you can achieve in the studio. Embrace these secrets as tools for unleashing creativity while capturing every nuance of emotion through those strings. Get ready for an auditory journey like no other as you bring life back into each note played on that beloved blues guitar.